Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to retrieve metadata using Salesforce Code Builder. After creating a project with the standard project type, there won't be any components or any metadata under Force app main and default. So for example, I have set up Code Builder. I don't see any triggers, I don't see any tabs, I don't see any objects. So it didn't pull any of the metadata. So in this video, we are going to see how to retrieve whatever metadata components you wanted in your VS Code using Salesforce Code Builder. If you are new to setting up Code Builder, I will share that blog link also in my video description so that you can see what are all the steps you have to perform to set up the Code Builder. So once you have set up, you can come back to this video and then you can start retrieving the metadata components. Okay, so go to org browser. So this cloud icon is nothing but org browser. Select it. So let's say I want the triggers. So mouse over and click this retrieve source from org. Next, let's say I wanted to bring some other additional things like reports. Select retrieve source from org icon, the download icon. Next, if you wanted to bring in any additional information, you can definitely bring in like assignment rules, aura components. Okay, so it pulled all my information. So now let's go here, click refresh. So I'm able to see the triggers, I'm able to see my aura components, and I will be able to see my assignment rules. So like this, you can retrieve the metadata components from the org browser. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.